Today we're going to talk about the Control Depth Peel. This is a deep skin levelling peel by Dr. Abaji and his Zeo Skin Health skincare range. We're going to join Kate on her journey as she has the peel and she records a daily blog for the week afterwards. We also check it out at 1 month and 12 months after her peel. My name is Dr. Anna Hemming and I'm the founder and medical director of Thames Skin Clinic. If you'd like to subscribe to my YouTube channel, then please click the little subscribe button that will appear in this corner and will remain there throughout the video. The Control Depth Peel is fantastic to help exfoliation, photo damage and some of the skin conditions that come with that, including actinic keratosis and pigmentation. It also helps with skin tightening and textural improvement, including acne scarring and the roughness that you can achieve over time. The peel consists of a 30% TCA, which is mixed with a blue peel base. The mixture is combined at different concentrations depending on your skin type and how deep the peel wishes to go. We do have some recommendations after the peel, as your skin will feel numb for several hours due to the local anaesthetic that we use. You do have to be careful to make sure when you're eating and drinking hot foods and liquids that you don't burn yourself, so just be a little bit careful afterwards. Your skin will look blue, as you will see from Kate's videos, but this does ease after about 3 washes. And as you will see, you do get some swelling which will begin on day 2 and last up to 4 days. The actual peeling from your skin will start after 3 to 4 days, and it will depend on the type of peel that you've had. Sometimes a skin peel can last for 7 to 10 days. It's very normal that your skin would feel tight, but usually there is no pain. And the skin may appear darker in colour at first until the peeling begins, and this is because all of the pigmentation is being drawn up through the surface. There may be occasional itching and discomfort due to dryness of the skin, but this should be mild, as well as any potential fluid which may ooze through the skin. After a skin peel of any kind, especially from these deep levelling skin peels, your skin will be very sensitive to the sun. We do recommend that you stay inside if possible. However, if you do venture outside, and in fact even inside due to the nature of some of the harmful sun rays, we recommend that you wear an SPF. Please do not, under any circumstances, peel the skin off with your fingertips. If you do have any skin hanging, you can cut this off with a clean pair of fine scissors. After your peel, we recommend that you sleep on your back if possible. You avoid sunlight, you avoid kissing, which is an interesting one, and if you have any animals that you are particularly fond of and get into close proximity to, we just ask you to refrain from that, just for the meantime. We also like you to keep your showers brief. Try not to rub any of the peeling skin when you're in the showers, and avoid exercise which will cause you to perspire. These are all factors which help to minimise any potential risk of infection. Please avoid makeup until your skin is fully healed. You will go home from your peel with a home kit which contains treatment products that will help to moisturise and protect your skin, as well as some steroid. Now, you will have a detailed instruction list of how to use all of these things. And should you wish to repeat a peel like this, depending on the concentration of the peel you've had, we'd recommend that you would repeat it at 2 to 3 months if it was a light peel, and if you have one of the deeper designer peels, it would be 3 to 4 months. We'd only recommend that if you had a particularly persistent skincare condition that needed extra treatment. A skin peel like this really only needs to be performed every 4 years. Now, without further ado, I'd like to introduce you to Kate and let her take you on her skin peel journey.
Hi everyone, so the peel's all finished and I definitely look bright blue. It doesn't hurt, there's no discomfort, my face is a tiny bit tight. Definitely needed to arrange a lift home from the clinic. I'm glad I didn't decide to get the tube or even a taxi, so I think it's really good to have someone with you. And I'm just going to take myself and just have a little rest now and see how it feels and looks later on. Hello, I thought I'd do you a little update this morning to show progress. I had the procedure done around 2 o'clock yesterday afternoon. I had a sleep. I got up at around 9 o'clock last night, washed my face with the Zedo Gentle Cleanser, used the Pomatrol and the Revitral from the post-procedure kit and took the steroids. I then stayed up for a little while and then went back to bed and had a great night's sleep. Slept on my back with my head elevated, no problem at all. Woke up this morning feeling very rested. I've washed my face again with the same products, the Gentle Cleanser, used the Pomatrol and the Revitral. I have no tightness, no swelling, no discomfort at all. But as you can see, I'm still a little blue and I'm looking forward to seeing how it progresses during the day. We're now on day 2 after my controlled depth peel. Everything went as I expected yesterday. I followed the instructions. I used the Zedo Gentle Cleanser in the morning and in the evening. I used Pomatrol 3 times yesterday and I used Revitral from the post-procedure kit 5 times yesterday. Just keeping my skin nicely hydrated, not overly, but not letting it dry out. I didn't use the Surfatrol yesterday because I had no swelling and no oozing, so it wasn't necessary. There are a few things that I'm doing that I think are helping. I'm sleeping in the spare bedroom, so I'm not disturbing anybody and I'm not getting any disturbance. I'm diffusing some lavender and some frankincense into the room to help me sleep, and I am trying to stay as elevated as possible using 3 pillows, probably at around a 45-degree angle, and that seems to be working really well. Today I woke up, everything fine. You can see I'm still a little bit blue, still entertaining the postman. I have got some sun damage that you can see really coming to the surface now, and the dark mask is very visible. I washed with a gentle foaming cleanser and used Pomatrol and Revitral this morning, and then went back in to clean my teeth. And as you will see, I'm a little bit clumsy and completely forgot and managed to dislodge some of the skin around by my mouth, so I will probably use the Surfatrol at lunchtime today just to minimise any kind of scabbing or scarring from that. Today's the 3rd day since my Zedo Controlled Depth peel. For background, I've been using Zedo products for around 10 months now, every day. I had a 3-step peel about 8 weeks ago, which was fantastic. It healed for me in 3 days. I could have had it done over a long weekend. And when I say healed on the 3rd day, I was out and about wearing makeup, no problems at all. My skin was looking really glowing and fresh, which is great. Yesterday, great day again, no discomfort, no swelling, no itching. I didn't use the Surfatrol for that reason. I carried on with the Pomatrol and the Revitral. I did use the Surfatrol last night as I saw a little bit of swelling around my chin area, so I decided that it was probably time to start using it. Yesterday evening I followed the same routine. No discomfort, slept well, not having any issues at all. This morning, done the same again. I can eat and smile as normal, a little bit tighter, starting to see some peeling. I have resigned myself to the fact that I won't be using the theatre tickets that I bought for this evening, and I will be staying in a little bit longer. But I'm really looking forward to seeing some progress today. Now on day 4 after my Zedo Controlled Depth peel, as you can see I am definitely peeling. There's some nice fresh pink skin coming through, no real irritation or pain. I'm getting some breakouts, which I think were things that were probably lurking around underneath the skin. Continuing to use the products. Did a little bit heated last night just before I went to bed, but I did the Surfatrol, Pomatrol, Revitral. Had no issues again. Woke up this morning and decided to give my hair a wash for the first time, making sure that the shampoo and product didn't get too much into my face. and we will continue today with everything and see how we go. Morning, we're now on day 5 after my ZO controlled depth peel, and things are progressing really well. I'm peeling, I'm healing very quickly. I'm actually a little bit less pink in real life than I look on the video. I'm planning to head out today as I have a few appointments. I have warned people, but I don't think I look too bad. Big pair of sunglasses and a hat and I should be fine. One thing I did want to mention is that I had quite a noticeable piece of sun damage on the side of my face there. If you look back at the before shots videos, quite similar to the one on my nose, that has lifted and peeled overnight and is barely noticeable at all now, so I'm really pleased and I'm looking forward to seeing more progress. Morning, day 6 after my ZO controlled depth peel, and I'm really pleased with the progress that I'm seeing. Following all the instructions, still got a little bit of peeling on my cheeks to go. Redness is really dying down. The only thing is I have got the breakouts that were obviously under the skin, hoping that they'll really start to dry up. I have no pain, no discomfort, really great tightness to the skin. No real kind of sun damage showing anymore. Still that tiny bit on my nose, which is actually really fading now as well. So I couldn't be happier. So we're now day 7 after my ZO controlled depth peel, and I'm really pleased with how everything's looking, especially around my eye area. I feel like it's really lifted. All of the sun damage has gone, apart from the little tiny patch on my nose, which is definitely lightening every day, and everything's going really well. And hopefully within the next day or so I will be back on my normal skincare routine. Hi, just a quick update to show you how my skin is looking now. We're just under a month since my ZO controlled depth peel. I'm absolutely thrilled with the results. A lot of the sun damage that I had is gone, a lot of unevenness. I'm just absolutely, you can see there are still a little few marks coming out. My skin is still a little bit red, but the quality of my skin, the glow is fabulous. I'll do a little update. I'm going to go and put my makeup on because I've just washed and moisturised, and I'm going to go and put my makeup on just to show you the difference in the actual quality of my skin once I've covered up a few of the marks.